I would like to welcome you to your new comfort challenge. This is something I learned from Tim Ferriss, the author of the 4-Hour Workweek, the 4-Hour Body, and the 4-Hour Chef. He's an amazing guy and he has written some great books. Tim Ferriss got this idea of eye-gazing comfort challenge when observing speed dating events. But they were a little bit different than normal speed dating events, because normally what happens is you sit down and you have to speak to another person for 2, maybe 3 minutes, and then later on you have to decide if you want to meet that person or not. Now, the events Tim Ferriss saw were a bit different. It was solely about sitting down and gazing into the eyes of another person. I know it sounds strange, but that's how it was. You were pretty much supposed to sit down and just look into the other person's eyes for 2 or 3 minutes without saying a word. Now, what happens in these situations is that most people get freaked out, you know? They don't know how to handle these situations because they feel very uncomfortable. They feel like they want to run away. But we got to remember that maintaining a very strong eye contact is essential when you want to become more confident, when you want to project that you are a confident person. And it's extremely important to build attraction as well. You probably noticed that all the confident, attractive people usually know how to maintain very strong, confident eye contact. So in this comfort challenge, I want you to gaze into the eyes of other people for the next 2 days. So let me explain. Whenever you're on the street or in any social situation and you happen to look into somebody's eyes and that person looks into your eyes as well, try to maintain the eye contact without looking away first. Because always when this situation happens, one person has to look away first. Why? Because they feel uncomfortable. Be the person who maintains the eye contact. I don't care how you feel inside. You may feel like in hell. You may feel so uncomfortable that you just want to run away. But keep strong eye contact and make them look away first. Why? Because you're going to train yourself to become more comfortable when looking into somebody's eyes. And you're really going to see huge difference. I can guarantee you this. After 2 days of performing this exercise, you will notice a difference. So to recap, for the next 2 days, force yourself to look into other people's eyes without looking away. It's going to bring you so many benefits, you will not be able to believe in it. And let me know about your results as well.